Hi there. Now let's go ahead and explore the funnels report. In order to navigate to our funnels report in Mixpanel, all you need to do is toggle to the reports and select funnels. Or you could simply go into the funnels mini icon within the reports view. Just like the insights report, the funnels report has a query panel on the left side and a visualization for you to see what you're querying on the right side of your screen. By default, you will see a few things within your funnel report. You will see that the time period selected is 30 days by default, and you will see that the conversion criteria is set for 7 days, but this conversion rate actually is for the unique conversions, which you can see by clicking on this toggle and seeing that uniques is the default conversion rate selected for this specific funnel. You can change this to totals. Uniques essentially counts only a single entry. Alright, now let's go ahead and build a sample funnel. So because this is the e-commerce data set, we're going to go ahead and select e-commerce related examples. So a typical funnel would be something like a sign up completed, a product viewed, and a purchase completed. Now, one of the things that you'll notice that happens in a funnels report is it essentially requires your users to have completed all 3 of these steps in a sequence in order to be considered as converted. And going by the conversion criteria set by you, we are giving users up to 7 days to complete this action to be considered as converted. You can change this conversion window criteria to either be based on seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, or even sessions. I typically like to look at how many users converted within one session. Now, what else you can do as a part of this funnel analysis is you can see what the overall conversion rate was for users to have progressed in these 3 steps in this order. Or you can even look at users who completed this action in any order. You can exclude a set of users who you think should not be included in this conversion funnel, or you can hold a certain property constant. You can also specify whether you would like the conversion rate to look at conversion for all of the steps, or whether you want to look at users on the basis of whether they've entered the funnel or progressed between certain steps. One more thing to keep in mind is, of course, this is looking at how many users completed these steps within one session, but we have selected this conversion behavior over the last 30 days. Now you can change this. You can either select a shorter period or a longer period of time, or you can even look at specific customized dates when a campaign was running, for example, to see if the conversion was in fact much higher during the time when you had a campaign running.